Hi folks, Russ here with ProSteam, and today we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing some exterior cleaning work, and what we have here is porcelain tiles that surround a beautiful pool. And as you can see, over time it's got dirty. It gets used a lot, and so what we've got to do is remove all the dirt, and we're also going to treat this surface with a product that will remove all those black marks and the organic growth. I'm going to use this spinner tool here. I'm going to blow all the leaves off with our leaf blower before we do anything. There's not many here anyway, but there's also a concrete area here that's very soiled. Okay, so we're going to clean this entire area here. We're not touching any of the decking today, but there's a seated area here, and as you can see, it has accumulated a lot of dirt, as you'd expect. Beautiful house with a beautiful pool area, and the client does a lot of entertaining, so it gets a lot of use. So we've got to try and make this look a lot better. So anyway, let's crack on. Let's blow all these leaves away and that, and then we can get on with the actual cleaning of the surface. Right, that's the job complete now, and we'll start with this area here. So this was the concrete area, and this was really quite badly soiled. Like I said, heavily used all year round, and so a lot of dirt gets transferred over to these areas, and because it's porous, it's going to absorb all the dirt and that. So but the porcelain that surrounds the pool has cleaned up really lovely. It wasn't really that bad. It just needed some time spent on it to remove all the dirt, and then we applied a product to then kill the organic growth that was on it. So there was some black areas, and we've managed to remove all that. So it just looks brighter and cleaner now, and it looks like it's ready to be used again. Okay, so there you have it, folks. Thank you very much for watching. We're going to put all the sun loungers back now. If you do have a pool area has similar tiles to this and you'd like them cleaned, we can also seal these as well. Sealing will most definitely help to keep the tiles cleaner for longer. Okay, and it will also help to resist any permanent staining as well. So it's something to think about. Anyway, give us a shout on 01252 319 391, 07765 60 60 40, or visit me at ProSteamUK.com.